by me, or run by someone who's trying to shoot you. Hello. Gorgeous. Nope, can't kill me. Fucking can't hit you either, apparently. There we go. Alrighty. He's slowly coming. No, Remy? Leave it. Puppy.
There's the kill.
Yes. You are of no concern, Draxus. Killing all your minions first is. So I don't lose out on any glam. Okay, I think we're good. Right in the motherfucking face. Shotgun to the face.
Draxus was one of the worst plagues this system has ever seen. Without their count, houses usually turn against each other.
Ah. There we go. Winter. Come on, pup. You wanna come up? Come on. Come on. No? You don't wanna lay down next to me? No? How about at my feet? You wanna lay down somewhere near me? Boom. Where are we at? We're at 16,000. I'm okay with that. Okay, we're gonna go talk to Kate first. Ah. I'm gonna be right back, guys. Alrighty, let's go talk to Cade. Ah. There we go. headset wasn't feeling right. Gotta get the whatchamacallits, Glimmer up to 25k, and my subclass is done. Pretty sure I got one. The hunter's done.
You like what you see?
Pretty sure.
Interesting. Nice job, Guardian. Hey, stay alert out there.
Okay. Major. Okay. Let's double check. Have I done? Yep. Got the gunslinger. Cool. Time to go talk to Petra. Petra. House the Queen. The typo. There is no typo, fears. Ooh, what phones are on? All of them. JK. Gonna have to do a strike and get 3 major kills. Okay. Okay, using blade dance. Yeah, that's a little tricky. It's a little tricky. Just a little bit. I'm gonna need some help from my friends for that one.
We found Skolos once. We can do it again. We just need to identify his next target. I bet I know how we can get started.
Ooh, who is it? Slayer! Come on. Slayer! Hi! It's been too long. What's up, dude? I'm doing fantastic. I'm doing Q&A Monday, but no one's on. No one's viewing. It's kind of sad. Other than that, getting my subclass quests done. No. Why? Okay. Get the homework done. Now here's a question. Is it mandatory for you to go to school tomorrow? Or do you have classes? Really? Oh, boo. Well, screw the football game. Come play Destiny at 5 o'clock in the morning. No, 3 o'clock in the morning with me. Or, no, 4. 4 o'clock. And then taking King at 5. You got the hard copy. Fuck. I have the digital. Is it? Damn. It was 18 actually, the digital. Well, good thing I have lots of room. and deleted GTA 5. Yeah. Okay, I need to go do a strike, but which strike is good? To get, like, kill 3 majors and at least. And let's do a random strike. Random strike, go. Wait, what do I get from this strike? I'm kinda curious. Oh, rap. Lame. I need marks. I wonder if they're gonna do like the cap again. Introduce the strike cap. That's gonna be fucking boss.
Far below the Ishtar cat.
It's gonna be awesome.
A
Oh,
world-eating machine
I might be able to
to another link.
get 3 major kills.
This nexus
The majors are the yellow health bar thingies, yeah. God fucking damn it. I don't think there's that many yellow barred stuff in the Ishtar Collective. I don't think so anyways. That's gonna be a pain.
All right, let's go find this nexus.
Wait. What?
Picking up multiple servitors.
Phob? No. I don't know where it starts. Whoa. Because we don't have the data yet, maybe. Not yet, anyways. Don't shoot him. No! Damn it! Okay, I got the 15 kills. I just need to kill the fucking majors now. With the fucking blade dance. Great. And they're like just killing them.
Okay, the upper level's open.
Yo. Sounds like a good idea, dude. That's a very good idea.